Okay, so I tried on the bikini. Me and my shopping addiction. But yeah, this is what they look like. I love the little ring detail. Hello, 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 hello. So I will be vlogging today, and I accumulate, I would say, a lot of stuff, which is me and my shopping addiction. That's not new. So I have to share it to you guys. So there's more in a bag. So there's Target, H&M, online order, more online order, and also some PR packages. And I'm also waiting on, I would say, 2 PR packages because I want to film what I get a week as a micro influencer on, I believe, Reels or TikTok. But anyways, how are you guys? I miss you all. I miss you, I miss you, I miss ya. So let's just begin with H&M. So as you guys know, I went there because I want to return the, not return, or I want to how do you call this? I want them to take out the button that was here in this jeans, and they finally did it. And anyways, so you know, the jeans, and then I was there, I was looking, and I found this cute shorts. This jeans, this is vintage short, high-waisted, and it's not a zipper, it's just all like buttons, and it fits really, really good on me. It's so cute, perfect for summertime, because we all know summer is like around the corner, and it's short season. Finally, it's short season, and I can't wait for hot summer. And I just have like a, hold on, okay, so I also got this skirt, which is a black skirt, like a silky black skirt. They do have the yellow skirt as well, same length and everything. I wish they have like the other colors, like green maybe. I didn't buy the yellow one because I already have like a yellow skirt that I got from Zara. I know though that skirt that I got is like longer, but yeah, I don't want another yellow skirt. So I got some cleaning supplies and beauty supplies from Target, another cleaning supplies from Mrs. Meyer's. I freaking love this spray, just I love this. And they finally have the Lysol disinfectant spray. Gotta have this, you know, because of COVID, everybody's freaking out. Still, you know, have to have this extra. So that's that. And then what else is in here? This is the Bioderma, I would say, cleanser, like a makeup removing, like a micellar, from Bioderma right here. I heard a lot of good thing about this one. I know I'm a Garnier gal, and I've been a Garnier user before, and I just want to switch up and try something new. So it's not gonna hurt me or anything. But yeah, this one right here. And then I have here from Milani, this is the Make It Last. This is really good because, like I said, summer is around the corner. I mean, even though you can wear sunscreen every single day, 365 days a year, yes, you hear me right, you wear sunscreen every single day. I'm just knowing that. But anyway, even if it's cold or whatever outside, you still need sunscreen. And if I'm putting a makeup on, even if I already put sunscreen before applying makeup, I still want an extra SPF on my skin after like my makeup. And I found this on Target. It says sunscreen, a spray with a sunscreen on. That's a big plus. So this is only SPF 30, which is still good. I know it's not a lot of sunscreen, but you know, it is what it is. So yeah, this is from Milani. And then I got this Wet n Wild breakup proof waterproof eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. The one that I got from Essence, I'm kind of like using it right now, wearing it right now, but I don't really like it. It's smudged after a couple of hours. I had to like keep reapplying it. But yeah, hopefully this is good. It's good for breakup, 16 hours breakup trying. Let's see if this is any good. And then we're gonna move on with this package, which is from Shein. So let's just start. This is the sunglasses from Shein, and oof, okay, This is the first one that I got from Shein. These cute sunglasses. I like, how are we feeling? Like, are we like vacation-y vibes feeling? This is so cute. Okay, this is what they look like. I'm excited to style them on my, if I'm like wearing like a nice cute clothes. Okay, I forgot. Okay, why did they put this in like plastic? This is too much plastic. Okay, let me just open up the other one. Okay, so the next one is this glasses. Like, look how cool is it looking? Like, it is so freaking cool. It looks so nice. But yeah, this is good for pictures only, which is props for pictures only. But yeah, it looks like this. Cute. Okay, this is so freaking cute. I love the print as well. And I got this set, which is brown bikini from Shein. Oh my god, how am my girls gonna get covered with this one? They are so tiny, very tiny. But yeah, they look like this, brown, and it has like some cute holes or rings. So hopefully this will look good on me. And the bottom look like this, very cheeky, very cheeky. And there's more cute little ring details, which is really cute. I'm hoping for the best. And then this set I've been seeing all over Instagram as well is this set, this nice fun prints right here. Really cute. I chose the green, like sagey green color, because I've been into like sage green color lately. And this is the bottom look like, which is not, I mean, it's not too thongy, it's just regular bottom. And then this one right here, which is you can cover up. It's like a meshy cover up. You can also probably use it as a, I don't know if I'm just making this up, but no, I'm making this up. Okay, so this is only good for covering up your bikini, your bottom bikini. I have this one right here, which is a heels. Yep. And look, any like familiar, it reminds me of the Bottega Veneta heels, which is I was planning to get on my birthday, maybe soon. But yeah, this is what they look like. It's so freaking cute. I love square heels. I've been obsessed with square heels lately. I don't know, it's just, they're really freaking good. Like, look at these heels, look how cute they are. And lastly is, hold on, so last is this heels, another square heel, square toe heels. It's the perfect length. I wear this last 2-3 days ago, baby shower. It's so freaking cute. Look how cute that is. It's creamy white, because I don't really have, I do have like a white heels, but they're more of like in a pointy side, and I got those from Zara. And I've been wanting to have like a square toe heels. So yeah, this is also good. It's honestly surprisingly comfortable while I was wearing this at the baby shower. It's comfortable. Okay, so I tried on the bikini. This is the top from Shein. Am I too bright? Hold on, wait. Okay, so this is the top from Shein. It is very cute. I love the color. And I also tried on the bottom, which I'm not gonna show on the camera because I'll probably get demonetized or get taken down, because she is very cheeky, very cheeky. And I love this mesh cover up. It's so freaking cute. I'm obsessed with the color. I feel like I believe this is size medium, which is so perfect. I still have a little bit of, just a little bit of side boob like going on, but it's so perfect. It is honestly pretty good. But and I'm also gonna try on this one right here so I can show you guys. But yeah, this is the bikini top look like, which is so freaking cute, and it's very like springy, summery. I freaking love it. Okay, so let me just try on the brown one so you guys can see what it looks like on me. Okay, so this is the top. It's a little bit small compared to the first one. I mean, they're like the same size, medium. I'm trying not to flush you guys, but yeah, I would say this is a little bit smaller than like the cut. I mean, it looks okay, but I just don't want to, like, you know, make sure that I don't have my nipples peeking through. But yeah, this is what they look like. I love the little ring details, and yeah, it looks pretty good. But like I said, I'm not gonna show you the bottom because it's very cheeky. Hey guys, so I already ate dinner and it was good, and I took off my lashes just because it's too much. I was grilling some steak. Anyways, I want to show you, hold on, I want to show you what I got in the mail. This was, I think, let me just fix my tripod real quick. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, so I have like a couple packages here from brands that they sent me some packages. So I think, I don't know if I want to insert the vlog from last week or two. I don't know if that's gonna be like a long vlog, but anyways, I received a package from a jewelry bracelet, and this came today. This is from Myro, and they sent over a deodorant. So I choose the Chill Wave, which is the cucumber plus jasmine. Look at the packaging, it looks so freaking cute. And I believe you have to insert the product. Let's see. And this is also available in Target. So let me just, hold on. So look like this, and I believe you just have to this inside. Voila. And you have a, hold on, deodorant. It goes like that. Yeah, something like that. Okay, I still have to figure it out, but I choose this color. It's like sagey green. It looks so pretty. And then let me just set this aside. Okay, so the next package is from Highline Wellness, and let's open this up. They sent me CBD cream, which is, I believe this is a lotion. I can't wait to try this. Looks like this. So cute. The next one here, which is I'm also excited to use, is their CBD Relief Roller plus Essential Oil. Look like this. And it's like a roller, and I'm gonna try to use this tomorrow at work if I feel like the need to use this. So I'm gonna bring this to work tomorrow. And last but not the least, this is out of all the stuff that they have available, this is the only thing that I already tried, because one of my friends gifted to me last year, and highly recommend. It actually works wonders. I'm the type of person where it takes me forever to sleep, and ever since like a year or two since I started like eating gummies before, you know, going to sleep, it actually helps me sleep. I don't eat this, or I don't do gummies every single day. I just try to take them when I needed to. But yeah, one of my friends gifted this to me, and I'm excited that Highline Wellness gifted me this, one of their gummies. So I'm excited to try this again. So that's the only thing that they sent me. And also Dippin Daisy sent me their new repurposed, recycled, reused bikini, which I already posted a video, and I'm also gonna post like what I get as a micro influencer. I'm excited to try all of these products and, you know, tell you guys my honest opinion. So right here they sent over a pouch, which is really cute. And then I already wore the one piece, which is this one right here. I'm also gonna leave the link in my description box below if you guys are interested on these bikinis. So this is the one piece that they sent me. It's baby blue. I love the color. It's Scream Spring. And then they also sent over this cutie like bag right here. Cute bag, good for like beach. If you're gonna go to the beach, this is really cute. and then another bikini, which is one piece, one right here. I'm gonna try to insert a photo of what it looks like, because it's so hard when I'm trying to show it to you guys, because it's kind of like all over the place. But I'm gonna try to insert a photo of like the model. And then they also sent this one, which is I really love as well. This one right here, bikini top. I don't know if you guys are seeing this right. It's already like 8 o'clock at night, so okay. And the bottom, which is this one right here, which I love. It's very cheeky bottom, which is so freaking good. And I love the quality of this bikini. And I believe if you buy one of these bikinis, they're gonna plant a tree every time you buy a bikini from this brand, Dippin Daisy. So anyways, like I said, I'm gonna leave the link on my description box below if you guys are interested in any of these products that I mentioned today. I'm so thankful for all of this stuff. And also, I am close to hitting 3,000 subscribers here on YouTube, which is, I am honestly thankful as well. So I'm feeling like I'm gonna gather another giveaway soon. When let me know in the comment section down below, do you guys want a cash giveaway, or do you guys want a like bikini or like products giveaway, like makeup slash, you know, some of this stuff that I showed you guys? Let me know in the comment section down below, because I'm gonna, you know, buy them. And yeah, just give me something that you guys want to win if you want to join my giveaway. Because last time when I did like a $100 giveaway, it was when I reached, I think, 1K or 2K on my YouTube. I think both YouTube and Instagram. So now I'm gonna try to focus on YouTube slash Instagram. Yeah, like I said, let me know in the comment section down below what do you guys want to win if you want to join my giveaway. Hey guys, so I'm done with my skincare. Do I look like a glazed donut? Yes, I do look like a glazed donut, and I don't care because I'm about to sleep. So I think that would be all for this whole vlog, and so you guys enjoy this long vlog full of hauls and just so anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I will talk to you, or probably see you guys soon on my next vlog. I hope you have a great day where you're at right now, or great night, great afternoon. I don't know what time are you gonna see this, but I hope you're having a good day, and I will see you guys soon. I'm gonna give you guys a good night kiss. Bye.